Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I'm finally here to wrap up weeks 51 and 52. So for these 2 weeks I will be using the Alpine Valley collection from Studio Calico. I went ahead and printed all those out, and so here I'm just quickly arranging the cards that I think I'm gonna like for this week's layout. Now for 51 and 52, they're just on one protector sheet because all of these will be in my December daily, where I will go more deep into details, like documenting the stories and all the details and all that fun stuff. So if you want to take a look, I'll go ahead and post that, and you can check out my playlist, my December daily 2023 playlist, where you could see all my entries. So now for this week, I'm going to go ahead and run you through my week. Here I'm just quickly sorting some cards out for the back of the closing of my album, which I will show as well on this video. Might as well just add it in. So for the top picture here is a picture of my daughter. She was gifted for her birthday a 3,000 piece puzzle. Yes, you heard right. 3,000, not 33, 3,000 pieces. She is such a puzzle whiz, and so yeah, she had lots of fun with that. It took her a week to finish, and for her to finish a 2,000, 3 days, and a 1,500 usually in a day or so. So she is just crazy good. I'm just so amazed at her skills. I wish I could be that way, but I mean, I do love making puzzles, but I don't have that type of skill. So I really do admire her. Her dad and I joined her as well. Just did a couple of pieces here and there, but most of the work was hers. So I went ahead and used Elle Studio's December documentary kit to add. I used some of those labels and just journaled a little bit on that little label there. The next two 3x4 pictures below that, the one on the left is a picture of my son, my youngest, and I just love reading to him. And for the month of December, we pick out a bunch of December books, and I do go to the library and pick out books as well. And so I just love seeing his cute little face, just lost in a book. The one that I just finished documenting or journaling or put a label sticker on is a picture of my two doggies. Well, actually I have three, but pictured here is Milo. So for all of you who wanted to know who Milo, my Pomeranian, is, there he is on the right with this little Christmas sweater, or Christmas jammies, and Lola on the left. And there was a cute sticker on the little labels that was in the Elle Studios kit that said Holly Jolly, and I thought that would be perfect just to put both of them down. And then for the one for the book, I think I just put I can't even read what it says. Something about simply the best, I think it says. And then the center, the journaling card in the middle, well, it's not really a journaling card, it's just a card. It says cozy, because all of these pictures were taken indoor. It's been really cold where I live, and wet and foggy, and I just love just being indoors. This card here that I'm working on, I did take a little 2x2 picture of my husband and his Frenchie, Sophie, and I just love taking pictures of them. They just fall asleep randomly around the house, and I just think it's the cutest thing. They were just watching TV, and they just were snoring together, so I thought I'd journal that. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this other card here that has a bunch of tickets, and it had little snowflakes on. I thought that it was cute. And this other 2x2 picture is a picture of my daughter and her boyfriend. It was so cute because this year they decided for Christmas they wanted to gift each other burr baskets. That's like the first time I ever heard of that, but it's the cutest thing. So they just made these cute little baskets and filled it with all their favorite things, and I think that was the perfect thing to do because it's just different for them. Like, they've never done it before, and so they had lots of fun doing it, and it just brought me so much joy to see her in the spirit of gifting and giving. So I'm just going to journal here a little bit and just add 23 because it happened on Saturday. They decided to get together on a Saturday and do gift exchanges. And then I'm just journaled a little bit here about how what they did. And his basket to her was so pretty. It was like a pink basket with the velvet maroon bow on the front. It was so cute, and like gifted her all these cute little things, all her favorites, and it's just very, very romantic to think about all the little things that they pay attention to, you know? So my daughter was really happy. It makes my heart happy. So this is week 51. I just hang in a bit and I will start week 52. So this is week 52. I went ahead and arranged my pictures roughly where I think I want them, and then just went along with the same Alpine Valley collection since I have it all here already printed out. And then I just picked out this one with a little snowflake. It says something about it's been a wonderful year or something along those lines. And then I picked out this cute little card that says warm winter wishes. I love the pink and the red and the green. It goes perfect with these Elle Studio labels and stickers. So I went ahead and added this one. It's a picture. The top picture there is Christmas morning, and just put a little label that says Merry Christmas, add a little heart, and use my little Tim Holtz mini attacher, stapled the little heart there just to give it some dimension. And then the next two 3x4s is a picture of my youngest son and doing the angels and the gift wrapping. Thought that was cute. And just journaled a little bit there. Now all the embellishing is really, really simple, guys, because I just want to close out the year and start this new year. So hopefully I'll be posting that video soon. And this other 3x4 picture is a picture of our Chipotle lunch. I took my mom and my daughter out for lunch, and we went out shopping, and it was so much fun. And we meant to take a selfie, and we just never got around to it, but we did take a picture of our food though. And then the bottom 4x6 picture there is a picture of our New Year's Eve. I just totally missed posting on Instagram. I've been pretty bad at doing that. I've just been taking the pictures, enjoying the moments, and just forgetting about posting. But that was super fun. And so here's just a little flip through of the finished week 52. And now I'm going to be working on my back page. So this is going to be my back page that's going to close out my album. And what I just simply did is just grab a couple of cards from that same collection just to close it out and just give it some kind of closure. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add a final picture at the end, but I figured I'd save the New Year's Day pictures for the album for next year. So I will use those pictures then. And I really like this cute little girl holding her little kitty. I'm more of a dog person, but it is really cute, so I wanted to add that in there. I mean, I figured I would never probably use it in any of my other weeks because I don't have cats. So yeah, but I thought it was cute. I could use it for my closure. So that went pretty quick, and that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Stay tuned because I will be having some new videos. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.